Good morning, Group 52. We're familiar with the life of King David. He starts out as a shepherd, taking care of animals. Then he fights a lion, a bear, and eventually defeats a giant named Goliath. For us, it's a very, very quick and simple read. But imagine the life of David. One day you come face to face with a lion and you have to fight to the death using your bare hands. After that, you say, I never want to go through something like that again. Then later you come face to face with the bear. And after surviving, you must think this is enough fighting for an entire lifetime. Then he comes face to face with a giant named Goliath. Yes, at that point, it's clear that the previous fights, God used them to build David for his future, which would eventually make him become king. Now, many of us, we go through tough things throughout the week, throughout our lives, where we say, I never want to do something like this again. And then the next problem pops up and it's even bigger than the last. We ask, do I really have to do this? Does life have to be this hard? I'm tired of fighting. When will the problems end? Just like David, God is using the problems you go through, every single battle, to build you for the amazing future he has for you. As it is written in 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 9, eyes have not seen, nor have ears heard, nor has it entered into the hearts of man, the things that God has prepared for those that love him. So as you go through your battles, week to week, day to day, even year to year, know in your heart of hearts that God has something so fantastic, so wonderful planned for you. You just have to keep walking through until you get to it. So many people give up right before they cross the finish line. So this week, Group 52, as you go through whatever you're going through in your little piece of the world, know that God loves you and has something amazing for you. And each battle is building you for the area in which you will rule and reign. Encourage those around you that are going through. God bless you and have the best week of your life.